Nope, don't let her eat. Okay. Okay, now stop her. Okay, now back her up. No, back her up. Don't pull so hard, Jacqueline. Do a little bit. There, now come this way. No, don't let her eat. All she wants to do is eat. Jacqueline, we're not going in there. Jacqueline, bring her back over here. I want you to trot her. Trot her on the grass a little bit. Just trot her. Slow trot. Okay, now stop her. Back her up. Just do it lightly. Now turn her.
Turn.
You want to turn?
Okay.
Okay, jump off. Now crawl back on. See if you can crawl back on with that. Come on, get up there. There. See, now that was a good one.